Hello champions, I'm back with another amazing powerful video, and today's video, as I promised you, I'm going to share with one amazing hack which will help you digest even some of the most difficult and chapters or topics of your syllabus. Okay, and I'm pretty sure, I'm damn sure you are going to love it because this hack is very awesome. On top of it, it's extremely easy. This is something I really wish I should have known this hack being a student, but no problem. I'm gonna teach you this hack and I'm pretty sure you will be able to a lot more benefited from this hack. All the students, they have commonly some of the topics which are naturally very difficult for them. They don't understand, they don't feel like studying, they get confused, especially when it comes to mathematics, science, subjects like that, which involves more of your brain application. Let's say I have problem in mathematics, I'm not able to study mathematics well. By the way, I'm excellent at mathematics. I always used to score the highest marks, but for the sake of just for this video, let's suppose Ayushi is not good at mathematics and Ayushi always commits mistakes when solving any of the problems and she does not get the right solution. Now I have to study, Ayushi has to study mathematics. Of course, she does not have a choice. If she has to pass and get promoted to the next class or next level, she has to study mathematics. Okay, this is the problem, but we cannot live with the problem. We have to move to the solution. So let's say I tell myself, Ayushi, you have to study mathematics, but in my mind it's going, oh, you are bad at mathematics, you make stupid mistake, you don't get the right solution. Then you know what happens? Even when I'm solving or trying to solve it correctly, it will never happen that, because I'm still at the frequency of Ayushi, who's poor at mathematics. Okay, and that's what most of the students are, poor at one or the other subject by default. As a CA student, I was poor at taxes. Okay, so in your case, which subject you are bad with and you really need help. The next, if I have to overcome this problem of mathematics, if I have to ace mathematics, I need to get out of the frequency of playing Ayushi. Okay, because Ayushi has an identity in her mind that Ayushi is bad at mathematics. With that identity, if she is studying mathematics, she will never be good at. Of course, we can change the identity, but that is a much longer and lengthier process. If we have to get to the solution more quickly, I am giving you this hack. So Ayushi has this identity in her mind which needs some time to be changed, which cannot be changed instantly. So what she can do is, she can leave that identity of playing Ayushi when she's solving mathematics, and she can get into the shoes of somebody who is excellent at mathematics. For example, R.D. Sharma. All of us have studied from that references, right? At least my age group. When I'm studying mathematics and I want to be good at it, in my mind, before I even open the book or before I get started with the process of studying mathematics, I'll just tell myself, okay, I'm R.D. Sharma, I'm excellent at studying mathematics. I can solve all the questions easily and effortlessly. I always get the concepts right and I can remember the formulas. I always get the right solution. So I can close my mind, I can visualize big R.D. Sharma sitting and try to solve my mathematics problem. And then you open the book, you get into the identity of your teacher or the identity of the expert or the identity of any of your friend who's topper, who's excellent at that subject. Play them in your mind. Tell your mind, okay, I'm not Ayushi, I'm this person who is excellent at this subject. And then with that identity, you solve or you learn that subject. The moment you do it, I'm telling you, that subject will become very easy for you. Even the toughest topic, you will be able to by heart, remember and digest very easily. I have shared this hack with all my mentees and they have told me that this one hack helped them, especially with the most difficult subjects, and I'm pretty sure the moment you start practicing it, even the difficult subjects will become much easier for you. So make sure you follow this hack and let me know in the chat box, in the comments, how this hack helped you and how did you practice it. And of course, this will encourage other students also to start practicing this hack. And in tomorrow's video, I'm going to share with you one more hack. Even if this something is difficult for you, you are not able to understanding how to deal with it, I will share with you in tomorrow's video. So don't skip tomorrow's video. And for today, please apply this hack and make sure you make it a practice of applying this hack at least to the most difficult topics and subject of yours. Playing the expert, not the way you are. The moment you think of the expert of that field, of that subject, you get into that vibration, you get into their frequency. The moment you get into their vibration and their frequency, it's very easy for you to deal with these things which are easy for them but difficult for you. So make sure you do it, and tomorrow I'll be back with another amazing powerful video. Until then, take really good care of yourself, drink lot of water, eat good food and think only good thoughts. And no matter what, keep smiling. Your smile is the most precious gift from the God, is the most beautiful curve on the planet. Make sure you do not let anyone take it away from you, fade it for you. So everyone, let's be happy because of the world. Let's be happy despite of the world. Don't worry about your studies, leave that to me. I'm your smart study coach Ayushi Garg, signing off for today.